Hey.
Yo.
Okay guys, so we're in the middle of the road and we're about to go to the lake now and check out the lake. We saw the other lake earlier. It was like a smaller one, so now we want to find like the other big sister version to it. We're having a great time and yeah, come with us. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. That's so pretty.
Fit check.
This is from...
We're going on a hike, not to the lake.
Oh, well, we're going on a hike. These are from Ross. They're bear paw. This is Amazon.
Homegrown.
This will not be in a YouTube video.
Oh, my fault.
Maybe not.
We'll cut that.
Yeah.
Do a spin. Cute. So, unknown.
Okay.
Unknown.
Okay.
Stock egg, limited edition.
Cute.
Hiking boot.
Glasses.
Glasses.
Unknown.
So, what about it?
Okay,
We're
so
on the
this
way to
is
the
a
lake.
map of where we are. We're in group 4 and we're trying to go to this lake. And this is like our surroundings.
Washington.
No, it
Oregon.
does.
Like on that side.
Yeah.
Like there's a fucking tree in the... Why is there a tree in the water?
Water trees. It was so serious to like park the car. Hold on. Wow. This is crazy.
Where are we?
We're in Jamaica.
Literally.
We're in Jamaica. Look at this. And they have a garden. It's like a
Garden. Growing stuff. Like.
And we're trying to find somewhere to sit, but they have the police right there. So.
Like, fuck.
we
Fuck
can't
the
even-
police.
Literally.
They have lake police, like, please.
Like they're not
Please.
playing. They're not playing.
That's so
Aw.
pretty. I'm crying. I'm screaming.
Like please.
Let us in your house.
Hey guys, now we're going to a place called Food Zone. They have like a car meet going on over there and we're gonna go look at the cars in a little. But there's like a cool food hall and he's revving his shit up. Trying to impress. Look at this. Some Mexican restaurant. So cute. We love women. Like the... What?
Taking shots at food zone. Please.
They got swings. They're playing volleyball. It's Italian food, Colombian food. It's everything. Then they have Mexican. They have like tortas. That's wild. Yeah. And this cereal place has pink tacos. Please be for real. Wow. And we have barbecue. We're about to go dumb. Macaroni. And then we have bubble tea. There's all the fruit flavors. And then I'm getting a burger. That burger looks so good. Did you decide what you want, Kayla?
About to crash out.
Huh?
About to crash out. I think.
Wait, cheers it.
That is like kind of late.
They got these for free. We got a double bacon burger with sauce, pickles, grilled onions. Okay guys, so to complete our last night, obviously, like, what should we get? They have hard iced tea like Arizona. Shit, I'll do a buzz ball. What's a big sips? Shit, the difference? Bruh, do I have a problem or does she have a problem? I think she does. Probably you.
But I'm gonna make up for this slack with him.
Okay, y'all, we're about to go set up our second night here. About to go lock in. This is what the forest looks like in the middle of the night. So literally you can't see anything. Like, this is terrifying. This is so scary. I'm about to set up the tent, set up a light, and I have like a fan to try to keep us like not too like hot out here. It's a nice temperature. There's like a camp going on out there over there. I guess they have like lights and stuff set up. It's like 10 different groups. And then there's a dude with a flashlight. And we're over here. Okay, and this is how prepared we are. We have some blankets and pillows. I bought like a lawn chair. This is her suitcase. My suitcase with like clothes and essentials. This is the tent. And then I bought like a, you can't see, but an emergency headlight. This is a fan. Bought like a grill, like stovetop. Some marshmallows to use. And like some little wool things to help start the fire.
What's up? You bitches ain't on this.
What's up? What's up?
It's currently 10 p.m. No shit is set up.
This is bright as shit. Like, I'm lighting up the scenery. Like, I'm saving all of you guys. You're welcome.
Shoe check. What's up? Don't play. Don't fucking play. The fuck?
This is what it looks like with the light. We came back and they stole our wood, so we have to like try to get it going. What? Like I said, she's clingy. This is my humble abode in here because I'm not playing with the bugs.
I might have to come in
I'm gonna be like smushed. And then we came inside my tent. We have a fan because it gets hot in here. Some water. My shoes, so no bugs get in them. You know? Pillow. Some clothes in case I get cold. And then this is a double zipper, so there's like a fly trap zipper and then like a waterproof zipper and that zipper at the bottom so that nothing gets in.
Welcome to our crib. What's up?
So, we just paid for our archery and we're about to go take archery lessons. I'm so excited. I've never shot a bow and arrow before.
Your first time or your 10th time, whichever. All right, go ahead. If you have any questions, let me know. Now, focus on. You're gonna hit me. Good. Fine. Don't let go. This is gonna hit wherever you want on the back. That's your aim. Okay? When you let go, just let everything go. So you did excellent.
Oh my gosh!
You did it!
How do you rate your trip so far?
Probably like a solid 7. Sitting in the car and eating hot chicken. No water.
She's so focused. Okay, okay. You still hit. We be eating.
I had some weed up in my system, 'cause I'm about 2 seconds away from just flipping out. How could you say that I did it?